Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how we can do the first change in Angular. So there is very few things what I am going to do in this video. So what I will do, I will change this title here. I will show you from where like this title is coming, sorry this heading is coming and how its title is coming. Okay, so yeah, let me open another browser just for here you can see it is here Firefox, and once I will open it, then you will see here we can see the title as well. Okay, and here we have heading, and here we have like different documentation or the link to the Angular. So in this video we will do few changes, and you can see here currently the localhost is running for Angular, and this is the complete application, and this is the same application what I'm discussing here. Okay, so before moving forward, I would like to ask you to subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Okay, so now let's move. So you can see the first thing is the index.html file, which is here, and here you will see title as my app, which is coming from, yeah, you can see here at the title it is my app. Okay, with Angular logo. So suppose I want to change this, so what I can do here, I can just simply type whatever I want. So I will type here Angular 14 and I will save it. Once I will save it or press Ctrl S or Command S, then the change will be applied automatically. But yeah, this is the Safari browser, you cannot see this change because Safari is not showing any title here. Okay, but you can see that here, and this is not directly linked to that app. So once I will refresh it, you can see this here Angular. Okay, so basically this is not a default browser Firefox, that's why it is not changing automatically. Okay, so other thing I will show you how we can change. So basically the title is coming from here, and you can see here it is calling here inside the body, it is calling the app root folder. So app root basically going to the root component of the application, which is coming from here app component.html. Okay, and its related typescript file is here. So whatever we do here in the typescript, okay, we can simply access all those variables easily by using interpolation here in the app component.html file. So we'll learn more about interpolation in the coming video. Okay, so but yeah, for now we will change this welcome. You can see I have searched here welcome, that's why it is coming here. Okay, because this file is too large, you can see if I will keep scrolling down here, okay, then you can see it's having too many contents. Basically CSS files are as well. So basically this file is related to this one, this is the index file, and inside the index this is the main app component, which is the default one. You can see app component.html is coming by default here, and these are the complete structure, styling and everything. So what I will do here, I will search welcome. Okay, and once I have searched the welcome, then I can simply go ahead and change it as Angular 14. And once I have changed it, I will click on save or Control S, and then it will change here. You can see it got changed immediately in the Safari browser as it is the default browser. Okay, and you can see the change again here as well in the Firefox as well. Okay, because it is auto refreshing the uh, on the basis of node. Okay, so sometimes it may miss few things, so we can simply just refresh this. Okay, and we can see the change. Okay, so yeah, these are the two things what we can access easily. Okay, and if I go here in the, this is the app module and this is the app component. So in the app component you can see here title is coming, and suppose I want to access this title. Okay, then how can I access? Okay, so to access it we just simply go here. Okay, so this is basically coming here, title is basically accessible here like this. You can see my app is running. Okay, so suppose I'm changing the title. Okay, so basically what I will do, I will just go ahead and app component.ts here, I will change it Angular 14 and I will save it, and you will see it has changed now. Angular 14 app is running from my app. Okay, so basically in this way you can also change these resources and you can also make it as angular 14. Okay, so what I need to do, just go here in the app component.html and you can see here resources is coming. So here again I can simply use this one. Okay, this is called interpolation and I can do a save. And you can see now angular 14 started coming here, and angular 14 is basically saved here in the app component.ts file type or the typescript file. So that means whatever we can define here, the variable we can access easily in its HTML file. It's super easy to access it. Okay, so yeah, in this file we basically understood about the how HTML page is related to its component file, and in the same way you can see here index.html. This is the main index file which is calling the app root, that means app component, basically this one. Okay, this is the root component we can see, and whatever component we will be creating, that will be inside this component. And as you can see, there are a lot of things to make it like confusing. So what I will do, I will just delete all the things here and I will click on save or control S. I will press and you can see now everything is disappeared from here. Okay, so here I will uh, do one more thing. Okay, so okay, this interpolation will not work here because it's not related to the component. Okay, this is coming from the different component, that's why it will not work. So what I will do is simply do control Z. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and yep, you can see here. If not, then need to refresh and you can see angular 40. So now let me access it inside the like app component.html. It is completely empty. Now I will access here the title, this one, what is defined here, app component.cs file. Okay, you can also define anything else here. For example, suppose I will define heading, and in the heading I will put this is h1 tag. Okay, and I will save it, and basically need not to save right now. So I will access this heading here in the HTML file. So here I will need to do head, and you can see IntelliSense is showing that. Okay, okay, it's basically heading, not the head. Okay, yeah, you can see now compiled successfully. And once I will go here, then you can see here this is coming h1 tag, and let me also put it inside the h1 tag so that it will be good to know that this is the h1 tag. Okay, let me save it, and you can say this is h1 tag. Here again in the Firefox you can also say this is h1 tag. So this is super easy to access. Okay, and let me also access here as h2 tag as a title. Okay, so again we will use here this double curly braces. Okay, and here I will put the title, which is again coming from app component.ts file. Okay, and you can see it is coming here angular 14, what was already mentioned here, angular 14. Okay, what I also. So I hope you got some idea how we can apply the change in angular file. So whatever I'm going to discuss, I will be discussing in this one in app component.html file. So all those things we are going to discuss here, and there will be a lot of videos here and a lot of topics here which we can understand. Okay, and that will be really very useful on day-to-day life, or if you are Angular developer, or if you are going to learn or trying to learn the Angular. So that is all guys in this video. I hope you learn something new and it will help you to or encourage you to learn the Angular. Okay, so yeah, that is all guys in this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.